Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install pgAdmin on Linux. So in order to do it, we have to go into the browser, and at the beginning I will tell you what is pgAdmin, because pgAdmin is a popular graphical administration tool for PostgreSQL, and it's very important to check if your PostgreSQL is installed. If you don't know how to install PostgreSQL, or if you don't have it installed, you can watch my video when I show, when I showed you how to install PostgreSQL. You can check it by typing in psql --version. As you can see, for me PostgreSQL is installed, the version 16.11, so I can move to the installation of my pgAdmin. And right now we have to type in pgAdmin on Linux inside the browser in order to see the steps that we need to do. So pgAdmin, we are using apt. You can use, basically you can go back, so for example you can remove that. Here you have the basically downloads option, and pgAdmin 4 you can use, for example, rpm base, I think works for example Fedora. So if you are using Fedora, you have to use this site and you have to use this command. I am using Ubuntu, so I have to use apt. So if you are using Ubuntu or Debian, you have to use apt and you have to use it. Use this. First of all, you have to check if your Ubuntu or Debian version is right there. In order to see your Ubuntu version, you have to type in uname -a. As you can see, my version is 24.04 and my version is supported, so I can move to the installation. If you want to install it manually, as you can see, you can go into this site and you can download from there a tar file and do it on your own, but I will show you how to do it with these comments from there. As you can see, we have a curl comment right there, so of course we have to install it, because curl is not installed by default on Ubuntu, for example, so we have to install it by typing in sudo apt install and sudo apt install and of course curl, and we have to type in the password. And right now we can make sure that it is installed, so curl --, version, as you can see it is working, so we can move on to basically copying our comments. So the first one, we have to copy it. What this comment means, it is a setup the repository. So at the beginning we have to install the public key for the repository. If not done previously, I didn't do it, so I have to do it. I have to paste that and I have to press enter. And the second one is create the repository configuration file with this command. So we have to again copy that like this, and we have to paste that inside the terminal and press enter. It will take some time because we are creating the repository from there, and after it we will simply use this command. You have three options. You can install for both desktop and web modes. You can install only for desktop and only for web mode. I will use this for both, so it is working for me. So I will go into terminal and I will write the first option, so sudo apt install pgAdmin 4. I will press enter and I will press Y because I want to continue that. And right now, if you install pgAdmin web, you can configure the server, but we will not do it. If you want to, you can do it. I will show you only how to install it. And right now we have to wait, of course, again for our progression bar to be at the 100%. It is on 36%, but I think it should take around 1 to 2 minutes, not a long time, I think, so we can wait. As you can see, 40%, 83%, and it is almost at the end. And now, how can we open pgAdmin? We can open pgAdmin basically by pressing on show apps, and here we have icon pgAdmin 4. We can click on that, we can wait, and we can simply open that. So we are waiting. This is the first launch, so it might take a little longer than usual, but as you can see, loading pgAdmin 4, and it is working, and you can use that. So this is how you can install pgAdmin 4 on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.